open Measure and select the Audiometry module located along the left side of your screen, followed by Speech Audiometry. Once loaded, select SRT under Test Types. In the Media Control panel, select Microphone to present words through monitored live voice. If utilizing a CD word list, ensure that the correct word list is selected from the Disk and Track drop-down menus. Instruct the client and set your presentation level and masking level if necessary. Press Start and the selected word list will begin immediately. To advance through the word list after patient responses, select Correct or Incorrect using the corresponding buttons in the Measurement Controls panel. As responses are categorized and stored, the software will automatically calculate an SRT score on the right-hand side of the speech audiogram. To change the ear being tested, select Right, Left, or both in the Measurement Controls panel. Once the test is complete, select Save to store the results in the patient's measurement history.